Wow.
Go into your groups that you've got and send it out. Let's try to get as many people to see what's going on out here in Kenosha as we can. There is no other media out here, y'all. Yeah, we've seen a couple people with cameras. Take a screenshot of that, y'all.
Stay with me, stay with me. Stay with me. You're watching a real remote right now.
There goes one back into the crowd over here. I don't have one. Oh, we're good, dude. If they don't want to be seen, they got masks to keep their backs to us. We're good.
One of y'all got some water on y'all?
No, hey, we do have. Yeah, we do have some people that have water in the crowd here, though.
I can get some of your water.
It's not drinkable.
They're just lucky there's not a gravel pit around here, because. They're just.
But we were supposed to be there tonight. That's what we're supposed to. Let's get a vibe check in. Let's get a vibe check, guys. Minneapolis. An active riot. It's an active riot. It's serious among you. It's not a garbage fire. We should stay to the side, dude. It's not gonna be good, dude.